Today we're at Hibou Conservation near Owen Sound, Ontario, Canada. Just wanted to show you how pretty it is here. We came with the dog today, Gracie, and I'm with my sister-in-law, Natal, and my brother, Rob. We're getting him out because he just had triple bypass and he needs to walk. But it's very beautiful here. We're on the Georgian Bay. Can't see right now, but through there, way out there is the Huron. Well, look how beautiful it is here. It even has a beach. But I thought today, Saturday, it would be really busy here, but it's not. I guess the weather is keeping people away. But it's a beautiful little park. Little bench area near the water over there. But it looks like Gracie really wants to get in that water, but now she's moving back. Guess it's a little too cold for her. But look at the view. The view is beautiful here. Oh, the shoreline here. Nice cool breeze today near the water, so that's good because we've been having a lot of heat. But it's nice to get out in the cool weather. I'm using my phone, so it's not focusing very good today. But a lovely day to be out on the water. I need a boat now to go out there. But I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you soon.